Agra, home to the iconic Taj Mahal, is not only a city of history and architecture but also a destination for rich Mughlai and North Indian cuisine. From rooftop restaurants with Mullah views to authentic local eateries serving kebabs, biryanis, and sweets, Agra's dining scene is diverse and flavorful. Here are the top 10 restaurants in Agra that promises memorable family experiences. The first one is Pitch of Spice. Pitch of Spice is one of the Agra's most celebrated restaurants, known for its Mughlai and North Indian delicacies. Signature dishes like butter chicken, mutton rogan josh, and kebabs are must-tries here. The ambience is modern and family-friendly with spacious setting and elegant interiors. Service is efficient and portion sizes are generous, making it ideal for groups. The restaurant has maintained consistent quality over the years. It's a must try for those who want fine dining with authentic flavors. The second one is Kishawri. Top luxury dining Kishawri offers a royal culinary experience with its signature Northwest frontier cuisine. The rustic interior, wooden decor, and open tandoor kitchen add to the charm. Specialties include dal, para, tandoori kebabs, and naan straight from the clay. The service is highly personalized, reflecting high TC's hospitality standards. Dining here feels like a regal affair, perfect after a day at the Taj Mahal. It's one of the Agra's finest high-end dining spots. The third one is Espahan. Espahan is a fine dining chain offering an exclusive moonlight dining experience inside the luxurious Oberoi Amarvillas Hotel. The restaurant serves a set menu with delicacies like lamb curries, kebabs, and aromatic biryanis. The ambience is regal with candlelit tables and live traditional music enhancing the evening. The staff provide flawless attentive service. Limited seating ensure a private, intimate atmosphere. It's perfect for romantic dinners or special celebrations. The fourth one is Shankara Veggies Restaurant, a vegetarian favorite in Agra. Shankara Veggies is loved for its rooftop views of the Taj Mahal. The menu features Indian thali, South Indian dishes, and popular snacks at very affordable prices. The casual rooftop setting make it a hit among backpackers and budget travelers. The vibe is relaxed, offered with music and friendly conversations. Food is homely, flavorful, and filling. It is a perfect budget-friendly choice for vegetarian travelers. The fifth one is Rasa Prakash. Rasa Prakash is famous for authentic South Indian cuisine in the heart of the Agra. Dishes like dosas, idlis, tapams, and thalis are served with traditional chutneys and sambar. The interiors are simple yet clean, offering a homely dining experience. Service is quick and courteous, ideal for families and groups. Guests also enjoy their ice cream and sweets. For those craving South Indian food, this is the best place in Agra. The next one is Jhankar. Jhankar is a multi-cuisine restaurant offering North Indian, Mughlai, and continental dishes in a classy setting. The decor is elegant with live music often added to the atmosphere. Signature dishes include kebabs, kormas, and rich curries paired with naan or pulao. Guest praises the attentive service and quality presentation. The restaurant is popular for tourists and business travelers, a dependable option for a complete dining experience. The next one is Johnny's Place, a small but legendary eatery near the Taj Mahal. Johnny's Place is famous for its authentic North Indian food and fresh juices. The restaurant has a cozy, homely atmosphere with simple seating. Guests love the thalis, parathas, and lassis here. The service is warm, with staff often engaging in friendly chats. It's affordable and full of character, a hidden gem that serves travelers for decades. The next one is Lakshmi Vilas Veg Restaurant. This pure vegetarian restaurant is popular among local and tourists alike for its wholesome Indian meals. The thalis are filling, offering a variety of curries, rice, rotis, and sweets. The setting is simple and friendly oriented, with quick and friendly service. Prices are reasonable, making it a go-to for everyday meals. The flavors are authentic and comforting, a great spot for those preferring vegetarian dining. The second last is Mama Chicken Mama Frankie House. A local favorite, this eatery specializes in chicken rolls, kebabs, and tandoori dishes. The food is flavorful, spicy, and perfect for those craving quick, meaty bites. The setup is casual, attracting students and young travelers. Prices are affordable and portions are generous. It's not fine dining, but it's loved for its taste and speed. A must try for street style Mulai food. The last one is Only Restaurant, one of the Agra's oldest and most touristy dining places. Only restaurants serve Indian, continental, and Chinese dishes. Known for its consistent quality, it is popular among families and long-time residents. The interior are neat and spacious, making it ideal for large groups. Their Molai and vegetarian dishes are equally popular. Service is professional and the atmosphere is calm. A timeless choice for dependable dining with Agra. Here are some dining tips for Agra. Kebabs, kormas, and biryanis are Agra's signature flavors, so don't miss them. Restaurants near the Taj Mahal like Shankara Veggies offer magical dining experiences. For royal experiences, Ishari and Esfahan are top notch. The Saprakash and Lakshmi Vilas are perfect for pure veg travelers. Don't forget local joints like Johnny's Place or Mama Chicken for pocket friendly, authentic taste. Agra's dining scene is a rich as its heritage, offering everything from royal fine dining at Isfahan and Shabri to humble farming meal at Johnny's Place and Shankara Veggies. The 10 restaurant showcase the diversity of flavors in the city, ensuring every traveler enjoy a memorable culinary journey along the grandeur of the Taj Mahal.